So in order to lock down profits to get the bulk of the move, what you want to do is this. You want to have multiple ways that you're going to sell. So, well, when I look for trades, I like to look for trades where I could make at least 3 to 1. Often I'll look for trades where I could make 4 to 1 or 5 to 1 or even more than that, but at least 3 to 1. So that means that when I risk $1, I'm hoping to make at least $3, $4, $5 on that trade. Great. That doesn't mean that I'm holding every last penny to get to that $3, $4, $5 move. What I'm doing is I will sell into strength along the way. So if I'm in a 3 to 1 trade, then I'll start to take just a little bit off once I've made $1. Then take off a little bit more at $1.50 or $2. Then take off a little bit more at 3, and then let the last bit of it run if it's continuing to run. That's how I'm looking to sell into strength. Once I've made a R multiple, that's when I'm looking to start to take off bits and pieces of that trade. But we don't want that to be the only way that we're going to take profits. We want to have some kind of a trailing stop, something that's going to move with price. The way that I like to do it, use the moving averages. It's quantifying the move, and when momentum starts to slow down and you're starting to close below a moving average, it's just showing you that the trend has started to change. So great, if we want to move with the market, if we want to trend follow, that's the way to do it. So start taking bits and pieces off as it closes below certain moving averages. The third way that I like to start to lock in gains is what I call a backstop, meaning that as price is moving up, so let's say price is moving up and then it consolidates and then moves up again, it just built a floor right around here. So price should not drop below that floor, and if it does, I'm looking to exit the bulk of the position when that happens. So what we've essentially done is given ourselves 3 ways to nail down those gains and to take them. And the mindset that we need to have in order for this to work is that as we're taking off these bits and pieces of the trade, it's the way that the market is going to pay you, right? Often what'll happen is that when a trade is working in somebody's favor, they'll get married to the idea. They want to just let it keep on running, and because it's treating them well, right? But if we reverse it and we start to take gains like as they're coming to us, and selling into strength is a great habit to have because it gets you into the selling mood, then you start to think of it as, this is how the market is going to pay me, and this is how I'm going to have this be a supplemental income, this is how it's going to be my primary income, and it gets you into that selling mood, that selling habit, and that's basically what it is. We want to develop a habit of taking those gains. The 3 that we just discussed are great habits and great strategies to get the market to pay you more.